Okay, so here's Ace and Vader. There they are. Hey guys, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. And I'm gonna let them outside in the first big snowstorm they've ever seen. Come on. Come on. Ready? Here it is. Peach. It's frozen. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. All right. There they are. Come on. Let's go. It's big northeastern right now, and I'm in beautiful New Jersey. Let me get these guys on for you. And they are, whoa! Look at them. Come on. I don't think they like the snow that much. Come on, good boys, good boys. There they go. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. I should have a ball to throw. I forgot it. It was right where my iPad was. Yeah, these guys, I let them out in the snow twice before, and they just don't do too much. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, they don't do snow at all. Just follow me home. Alright, I tried. There he is. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Good boys. Come on. Come on. They're tired already. Look at these guys. Come on. Alright. Come on, upstairs. Right to the door. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Ugh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. All right. You guys like that? Hey. You guys went in, right? All right. That's it. They're done. Jeez. Okay. Bye, buddy. See you next time.